right, today we are going to talk about the Kato N GG1 electric that has been converted to ESU LokSound V5. One of their new 58741 boards. I've been burning through a lot of these lately. Obviously, I've verified fitting a lot of these models now because I worked with ESU to design that back when I was at Kato. What this guy is in order to fit sound in there, there's not a lot of place for speakers, although there is a lot of meat to that frame. So what I did here was I machined out under this tab right here some of this material out, and I fit a SP1508 speaker and 3D printed housing on both sides. And then the factory stock light board in there has been replaced with this, and obviously just sort of jumper wires to go through there. It has ESU's S0559 GG1 V5 sound file loaded in it. So as for modifications, yeah, you do need to do some machining to fit the speakers in. As for everything else, yeah, you can kind of work around. I mean, you don't have to really do any work. I'm not going to take the plastic tab off here because that kind of holds everything down, but just essentially replaces the factory light board in there. So I'm just going to hit pause. I'm going to get that shell on, and then we're going to go through a quick run through this thing. Hold on. And due to the magic of being able to pause things, we have the shell on. And we are going to start this guy up. Well, thought I was going to start it up. There we go. And there we go. Kato N GG1 with an ESU LokSound 58741 sound decoder in it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.